It's Washaholic Wednesday, and I'm Mike Kinderleiter, the Dean of Power Wash at Powerwash University and Powerwash.com. Just threw my jacket on because I'm going to walk outside here. I want to talk about, I'm going to be doing an upcoming event, or at least I want to do one. So really what I want to do is get some feedback from you guys to see if you'd be interested. And if you are, just post "I'm interested" in the comments below. But before I do that and talk about what I want to do at the upcoming event, I want to just share with you guys real quick a couple of tips about goal setting. I know most of you probably did that at the end of the year for 2020 and the end of 2019. And just some ideas to keep in mind as you go throughout the season and you're trying to get things done is to, what I like to do is have a daily reminder of the goals I'm trying to accomplish and how I'm trying to get through for the week. And here we are walking through the Powerwash.com offices, and you got the staff back there working and stuff behind me. But anyway, I'm heading outside here as I walk through. But someone's calling me, and I got to decline that call. There we go. So do a daily reminder of what your goals are for the day, and set. It's like stepping stones, like you're taking steps each day toward your goal. You're taking a step. Each day is another step toward that final goal at the end of the year, or for 5 years down the road. But each day you're taking a step. And at the beginning of each day, you're going to find out, or you're going to set a goal that moves you closer toward that bigger goal. So you keep accomplishing little goals. This does a couple things. One is it builds your energy and your enthusiasm for achieving and accomplishing things, and as you do that, you do more and more, you get more excited and more enthused about achieving those goals. So that's my tip for this week. Now I want to talk about doing an upcoming event, and I'm thinking about doing something in March, and this is one of my goals for this year. But I need to make sure we got enough response from people out in the area and in the industry that would want to come do one here in Fort Worth, Texas, at my facility here at Powerwash.com, Powerwash University. And one of the ideas I have is we've got all this space out behind our building here, and I think it's right in there. Yeah, right over here in this area, I want to working with Everett Abrams, and I want to do a deck building class, something no one's, in my knowledge, has done out there, so how to build a deck, how to put together, how to do repairs. Already talked to Everett about this. He loves the idea. So do that along with a little bit of, and restoration on that. And then right across the street, I've got my truck wash facility. So we're going to hit up on how to do truck washing, that kind of thing. And that's just a little experiment we're doing there on the side of the building with the tagging for graffiti removal. Anyway, so right across the street at my other facility where we run the contract cleaning business, and we have a wash bay for public to come in and do truck washing. We're going to hold the class over there, show you how to do truck washing and stuff. They're on site, hands-on, just like with the deck building and deck restoration. Turn around here and show you behind me. So there's the other facility over here behind this building. See that truck right there, the top of that tanker? That is over there in our wash bay getting washed right now. So I just want to see who would all be interested in doing that. Obviously, I'll bring in a keynote speaker. Got a good friend of mine I'm reaching out to right now to see if he would be interested in doing it. I have a couple of other cool things here in the local market. With one of the guys is he was in a movie years ago, and he's tidying up a lot later. I haven't reached out to him yet, so I don't want to say who it is, but I think he would do it. So I'd bring him in to be part of our event and just present to you guys and kind of share some things of what goes on behind the scenes and all that kind of, just to be cool and fun, right? And then and do some other things around here in the Fort Worth area that everyone would enjoy doing. So with that said, in closing, if you happen to be one of the fortunate, build a bigger table, not a taller fence. I'm Mike Kinderleiter, Dean of Power Wash at Powerwash University and Powerwash.com. That's this week's Washaholic Wednesday. I hope you have a great and successful week. I'll see you next week. Take care.